In this video, we're going to be going over the, oh man, I could have done it, okay, alright. Okay, I think we're done. Hi guys!
Thanks for joining us for another video.
And welcome back to our Dirty Dancing video series. This video is going to be an instructional video on the next section of the Dirty Dancing choreography, where we're going to be going over all the moves and how to do them with your partner. If you want to check out the timing and how to match these moves up with the musicality of the song, feel free to check out our musicality video in the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier videos to get all caught up. Let's get right into it. Alright, now let's start with the footwork for the leads. Okay, so transitioning out of our earlier section, we're going to start walking around our partner. So we're going to start on our right foot and just go one, left, right, left. And then as we turn her out, we're going to shift our weight back to our right foot so that we can take a rock step back on our left, rock, step. And then we're just going to square up with our partner as we get into this hold. Now that we're here, we're going to shift our weight onto our left so that we can step over our left foot using our right, and this is going to allow us to pivot around our follow. So again, we're going to take our right and cross it in front of our left and step around here, and then once again pull the follow back in to this hold once again, and then we're going to do the same thing again, take our right and step over our left foot and pivot around her, and then we're all done with this section.
Now let's go over the follower steps. So we're going to start with 4 steps starting with our right foot. Right, left, and then we're going to turn out to our right. We're going to go right, left, and a rock step with our right foot. Return our weight to the left, step forward, just stepping small steps right, left, and then here we're going to get turned out to the right, left, and then we're going to be brought back in, right, left, and once more, we're going to go right, left, and then we're here.
Alright, now let's talk about the lead and follow for this section. Okay, so we're starting from a closed position from the last section. With leads, we're going to transition out of this by bringing our right hand down to the follow's waist and placing her right hand on our shoulder or neck so we can start doing the walk around. And then on our 4th step, we're going to use her hip to turn her out.
So the whole time we want to make sure, followers, that we're engaging our core so that we can maintain our balance when he turns us out.
Exactly, and as the fall is coming back, make sure at least to offer your left hand to pick up her right. So we're going to be turning and then picking up with the left as we go into our rock step, and then bring her back into that closed position.
So we want to make sure, in order to do the rock step and be brought back in, we want to have tension here for both people.
So we rock step and then bring her back, not into a close, but we're going to go into this hold, and then we stay here until the appropriate musical cue, and then as we're leading her out of this, we're going to be applying this tension to her hand to help her spin out of this hold.
So we want to make sure, followers, that you put your right hand behind so it's ready to grab your hand.
Exactly. So we bring her out and then pull her back in, and leads, make sure as we're pulling her back in that we're not jerking her forward, but we do want, to have a nice kind of pressure because it's kind of a fun moment in the dance. They're, both getting into it. So we bring her back forward and step into it. And then again, as we're waiting for the appropriate musical cue, we'll turn her out. But this time, on the 2nd time, we're going to pass her hand into our left and immediately take up the double hand hold. Alright, now let's go over the connection, the styling for this section. Alright, so transitioning out of this closed position into the walk around, we're going to have our arm free, so leads we can style by either putting it on our waist or behind our back, or just keep it down by our side, whichever is most comfortable for you.
Followers, if you want to play with your dress here, you can do that.
And then we turn out our follow. And here we again have some free time to style with our hands, so again, just palm down towards the floor, shoulder height is kind of the default. And then we come back to this hold. In the video, if you want to try and make it like the movie, they kind of have a more serious kind of like intimate gaze into each other during this first hold, and then they come out of it and into the second one.
So the second one, if you want to make it like the video again, she is very cheerful in this second part, so you can laugh, you could smile, look at your partner.
Yeah. And again, you have a second here with the music to connect with your partner before it's time to unwind her again. And then when it is time, we simply turn her out and transition to the double hand hold, and we're ready to go.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content by Green Bay Ballroom. If you want to learn how to match all these moves up with the tempo of the song, be sure to check out our musicality video in the same section. Otherwise, check out our earlier videos to get all caught up. I hope to see you there. Bye.
Bye.